So I need to show you this jacket. Good looks, and good looks. So there's that question ना रसोड़े में कौन था? One answer I can give you definitely मैं नहीं थी. Honestly अगर मैं शादी करूँगी तो मनीष मल्होत्रा के that exact red lehenga that you wore, that one. I've stopped going to the gym because I don't have gym looks to give. Yesterday also I dropped chocolate on something.
But you hardly eat is what I know, so I don't think you're dropping any food.
Anything I do, anything I wear, I'm gonna get trolled anyway, so it's fine.
This is Dabur Amla Aloe Vera What Women Want on Filmy Mirchi. आज हम बात कर रहे हैं about fashion और मेरे इस फेवरेट टॉपिक पर बात करने के लिए मैंने एक ऐसी एक्ट्रेस को बुलाया है जिसके लुक्स लड़कियों को फैशन गोल्स दे रहे हैं. Please welcome the super stylish, effervescent and gorgeous Ananya Pandey. Hi Ananya.
Hi!
Hi, why is that guy in the frame?
He lives here actually, he's just, a part of my house.
Okay. So Ananya, we all know that you are quite the fashionable diva, huh? Like all the young girls are like emulating Ananya Pandey and they all like, oh my god, we want to be like Ananya, we want to dress like Ananya, we want to look like Ananya. So like, is there like, behind each look, are you like always involved?
Okay, but first can I tell you what's behind my look today, because I think it'll be very exciting. So I need to show you this jacket that I've gotten made.
Yeah.
Please read what it says on the side. Good looks, and good looks. Then it says PHAT, pretty hot and tempting. And then guess who's behind?
Oh my god.
Tell me how it was. So I love this jacket. I've never found the right opportunity to wear it, but I'm like, today I have to wear it. So this is my look for today.
I think it's a perfect opportunity. And like anyway, I think that if Pooh was made now, I think you would be apt to play that role.
Listen, that's like the biggest compliment ever for me, because I was that girl in school who would like just say all of Pooh's lines. Like for anything, I'd be like, tell me how it was, or how dare you, and all. That was just like my thing.
And now you can definitely use PHAT because you are.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, pretty hot and tempting. So tell me, are you like involved behind every look? Or?
No, 100%. I think I like getting involved because I love fashion, it's something that I enjoy being a part of. I love shopping. I love, planning exactly what to wear. So I do get involved in everything because I think for me what's most important is being comfortable in what I'm wearing. Because if I'm constantly sitting and adjusting my top or, pulling something up, you can tell that I'm not comfortable in what I'm wearing. So for me, even if it's the most glamorous gown or it's my sweatpants, I just want to be comfortable.
Now, Ananya, हमारे हर look को लोग obviously पसंद नहीं करते, and you know that you're so active on social media. I mean, I'm new to it, but you're a pro now. And कभी-कभी हमें troll किया जाता है for what we wear, or so many criticism. So how do you handle all of that?
As I said, I think first maybe I think when I initially just started, I was dressing in a way that probably made everyone happy. But now I think the way I dress makes me happy, and as I said at the start, as long as I'm happy and I'm comfortable, it's all that matters. And I think when it comes to trolling now, I'm just like, anything I do, anything I wear, I'm going to get trolled anyway, so it's fine. As long as I'm happy and I'm comfortable. And I've made it to Diet Sabya, and I've been, questioned on what I'm wearing, but that's something that actually I don't, really obsess over or anything. As long as I'm happy and I get good pictures to put on my Instagram, I'm fine.
Yeah, as long as you're, exactly, that's the most important, you know. You don't have to take all that too seriously. Now it's time for our Dabur Amla Aloe Vera Want It All moment. So you need to tell me about a time where you wanted it all, like in terms of like when you were getting ready for like maybe Filmfare Awards or like some sort of a huge award function, and you wanted it all and your stylist over-delivered.
Over-delivered?
Yeah.
So I think a moment where my stylist over-delivered was, there was this huge Diwali party, and I obviously wanted to wear something fab, and I was very, very excited for it, and I told my stylist, and he was also very excited, and then he ended up giving me a Sabyasachi lehenga, and it was this beautiful like gold nude, and had the signature, Sabyasachi symbol over here, and it was so beautiful. I literally didn't move all night because I was like, I don't want to ruin like the glamour and the beautifulness of this outfit. So that was some time when my stylist really over-delivered and made Diwali so special for me.
तो एक ऐसा आउटफिट बताओ जिसके पहनने में तुम बहुत excited थी, like you loved the look, like you looked super hot.
I think all my looks for Student of the Year, because Manish did the costumes for it, and he's just so cool and he's so with it, and I got to wear all these like short skirts and jackets and prints and these cool backpacks and sneakers, and that's exactly my style. Like I just love sneakers and cool like accessory pieces and like these funky rings and hoop earrings and stuff. So I think all my outfits in student were really fun to wear, and it was really fun to see a lot of young girls copy that as well. So I had a lot of fun with Student of the Year.
Yeah, I know. That was like, it was like a mini version of like, you know, a Pooh where you got to wear like such lovely clothes.
That was the
and
reference.
stuff.
Every day Manish was like, this is very Pooh, this is very Bebo, this is very Kareena. And I was like, yeah, I'm very happy.
Oh God, listen, no. So how particular are you about clothes? जैसे कि मैं अपने सारे outfits पर अपना garment steamer use करवाती हूँ क्योंकि honestly it's so, you know, easy and safe to use. So are you like really particular about like, you know, that it's the perfect look and it's like, you know, it's completely like pressed and ironed, especially when you're going to like red carpet events?
I'm particular about my clothes being steam ironed because proper ironing can change the whole look of an outfit. But more than me, it's actually my mom that takes care of these things.
Acha.
And she always has to pull me back and be like, you have to iron this and you have to get this ironed. I think in that way, my mom is like the voice of reason, and she's like, no, you can't go out like that. And
Yeah,
I
I can
cannot wear
imagine.
white. I mean, I'm wearing white now, but I stain everything. Like I'm always like eating something or the other, and I'm always dropping. So my team is always like, put a towel or wear a bathrobe or something.
Yeah.
But yesterday also I dropped chocolate on
But
something.
you
new.
hardly eat is what I know, so I don't think you're dropping any food.
No, on my cheat day, that's on Sunday, I have to make sure that I have like bathrobes and towels so that the butter chicken and all doesn't fall on my clothes. I stain a lot.
What about these airport looks and gym looks when you get clicked in that? What do you feel like about it?
I've stopped going to the gym because I don't have gym looks to give and serve. I can't go to the gym. I'm like, how do I wear something new every single day? So I'm at the gym and at the airport are two places where you have to be comfortable. Like how will I sit on like such a long flight in these like trench coats and all? I can't do it. So if you see my airport
Yeah.
looks are also like sneakers, jeans and an oversized sweatshirt.
Yeah, like sweatpants and stuff. no?
Yeah. I don't give it that much importance at all.
Yeah, otherwise, like, we can't be like fully dressed up.
Yeah, can't.
Not like a runway.
No.
Ananya, अभी pandemic चल रहा है, where like in the middle of this, you know, global pandemic, हर चीज़ online हो गई है. From fashion shows to me interviewing you like right now. What was your lockdown look?
My lockdown look was my same. I have this one British Airways night suit that I've stolen from the flight. I wear that every single day. So that was my.
I
it
love
was either
those.
that. Aren't they so comfortable? I wish that was the material for everything. So that was or my dad's t-shirts, because my dad wears these really funky prints and he has these like fun t-shirts. So I would steal my dad's t-shirts because I love the oversized look. And
Yeah.
it was either that or my like gym wear. That's it. It would be between that. I'd like rotate between the two.
And of course, I mean, like, I have to ask you this question because speaking of the lockdown, everyone was making, you know, banana bread and dalgona coffee and, you know, cooking goals. Like, you know, I don't know, पता नहीं क्या हो गया था सबको, right? You know, cooking का एक हो गया था. So, did you have any रसोई से रिश्तों तक moment like where you were like, okay, this is what my love for cooking?
So there's that question, रसोड़े में कौन था? One answer I can give you, definitely मैं नहीं थी, because I don't know how to cook anything. My younger sister Raisa cooks well, she bakes well, so I would just like hang around, pretend like I know what I'm doing, and I would just like try tasting things and all, but she wouldn't even let me put my finger into whatever she's making, because that's one thing I can't do. I can't cook.
You can't be in the kitchen, right?
I can be in the kitchen, but I can't cook. I can taste things and all of that.
You're the actor in the house who just wants to act like she's in the kitchen.
Yeah.
So now it's time for some quick questions. मैं तुम्हें कुछ सवाल पूछूंगी about your fashion in the industry और तुम्हें मुझे obviously like I mean it's like a rapid fire but like there's no hamper. Okay, so you're just doing this for like yeah, fashion
Okay.
goals. So the actor and actress who give you style goals.
Actress, I'm obviously like it's going to be you only, and you also know that. I think you as Kareena, and then all your characters, be it Geet, Pooh and everything, has just inspired me so much growing up. Those Patiala pants with the filmy t-shirts or the full red and the different shoes and everything. Now whenever I wear mismatched like socks, I'm like, it's a look, like you won't get it. It's like fashion.
Yeah,
because
I
the
think it's so cool.
I think so too. So I think you definitely hands down. In actors, I think Ranveer Singh, because he's so experimental and he has so much fun in what he's wearing, and I really aspire to
Yeah.
do that. Like I just want to have a blast wearing what I'm wearing.
Yeah, that's true. Only he can do that.
Yeah.
Do you remember an outfit that you wish you had worn?
Yeah, the Patiala pants maybe. I want
Yeah,
that exact look. I can't find the perfect film reference for a t-shirt.
Yeah.
Yeah.
एक डिजाइनर जिसके कपड़े पहनने तुम्हारा ड्रीम है.
I want to say अगर मैं शादी करूंगी तो मनीष मल्होत्रा के that exact red lehenga that you wore, that one, magenta.
Oh God,
Pink lehenga.
magenta.
वरना शादी
That
नहीं
I'm sure
करूंगी.
Manish will.
वरना दूल्हे को टाटा
but
बाय
आपकी
बाय
शादी
कर
का but आपकी शादी का बहुत टाइम है. हाँ,
There's
अभी.
time. Lots of time.
हाँ, exactly. एक आउटफिट या कॉस्ट्यूम जो तुम स्क्रीन पर पहनना चाहती हो.
I want to wear a sari. I don't think I've actually never worn a sari, I think, in real life. And there was a scene in Pati Patni aur wo, but it didn't make it to the movie. So I think a sari.
Oh, so are you saying you've never worn a sari on screen?
In real life, I've never worn a sari, and there was a scene in Pati Patni aur wo, which I was
Yeah,
wearing a
and
sari,
then
but then
got-
it didn't
हाँ.
come in the film. So technically, I've never worn a sari in a film. Yeah.
Oh God, that's crazy. Great.
Yeah.
So now अब मेरे सवाल पूछने का टाइम खत्म हो गया है, but of course, I think now is the time where you get your chance to ask me a question.
Babology, empowered by Bumble.
Okay, I've been dying to ask you this question because as a newcomer, it's something that I'm a little like, apprehensive about, and I don't know how to really do it. So when do you think it's the right time to make the first move and ask a filmmaker if you want to work with them or if you want to be a part of a film that they're making? When would like the perfect time for that be?
There's never a good or a bad time. I think you should be, and you're from this generation where I think you can like either send a text or write a note or pick up the phone and even tell a director that, listen, I really admire your work and I really want to work with you. And I'm sure that everyone would be open to that. And I don't think there is this thing that that I shouldn't tell. I think if you want to work with like an Imtiaz or like like a Zoya,
Yeah.
I think that you should just pick up the phone and be like, listen, I'm dying to work with you. You shouldn't hesitate.
Okay, done. I won't now.
Anyway, before you go, I have to tell you, since we're talking about directors, you have the opportunity of working with one of my most favorite directors, which is your next film, which is Shakun.
Yes.
Because I think that you'll be amazing in the movie and he is going to make the most amazing film.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited for it.
And thank you for coming on my show. It's a quick show and it's just, I'm so happy that you came and spoke about your likes and dislikes.
Thank you so much. This is so exciting for me, and it's like an actual like fangirl moment, and you know that, and everyone knows that. So thank you so
yeah,
much.
we all. Thank you for coming on What Women Want. Thank you.
Thank you.